Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the process of changing out my headlight dimmer switch. Now as you can see, I already have it out of the Jeep, the old one here, and you can see it's in bad shape. It's seen better days and it is never going to work again. So I bought a replacement one from Omix-ADA, or I should say Rugged Ridge Omix-ADA. It's a headlight dimmer switch, part number 17233.01. That is the Omix number. Anyway, as you can see here, this here is just the dimmer switch that when you do your high and low beams, you take your foot, it goes on the floorboard, and you give it a click with your foot, and that changes your high to your low beams. Very similar. It seems like it's made of good parts and it's good quality, but let's get it put in and wired up. Should probably mention the thread size on these holes is a standard 1/4-20 bolt. I have these just hanging around the shop here. I have a lot of 1/4-20 bolts and nuts, but as you can see, they are threaded for 1/4-20s, and hex head, pan head, whatever work just fine. From the back side, we'll just slide it right up in through here, line up our holes, get our screws to start, take our screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and tighten her down. Okay, now it's installed. Let's get her wired up. As you can see, I have the headlight switch wiring done. This here is my common coming in from the headlight. This is my high beam wire right here going out to the high beams, and this is my high beam indicator light, indicator wire. And this here is my low beam. So basically the switch has the power come in here, and when you push the button, it takes the power and routes it to this side, and you hit the button, it goes from this to the other side. So let me demonstrate that for you real quick. Go ahead and turn that on. So you can see headlights are on. There's our new button. And I'll come down here, hit that button. That's low beams, high beams. And as you can see, a little indicator light right here has turned on. On, off, on, off. And all I'm doing here, again, is with your foot, you just push this on, off, off. And that there is how you change out a headlight switch for an early CJ5. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified when the next video posts. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.